Revit has improved dramatically over the years, and the evolution of the program has really been impressive.
I'm super impressed with Revit 2022. It's really packed with a lot of what I like to call productivity now features.
My initial reaction was, holy cow.
A very strong release.
My coworkers burst out into applause. That is not the type of response you get during a What's New presentation.
I was excited to see a lot of these new changes coming in. These new developments will actually help us be more accurate in our development of rebar. They'll save us time.
So now Revit ships not just with a PDF printer, it is actually an exporter, so it means it's deeply integrated into the product.
We're finally getting to some features that help expand the interoperability between different systems and components. Adding the electrical analytical systems is a big step towards completing this feature set.
Being able to tag multiple elements with one tag for a keynote, for example, is something the design teams are absolutely going to love, having that ability.
You can now not only import a Rhino, but also link in a Rhino.
The feature I'm most looking forward to in the 2022 release is being able to filter schedules by family and type. It's going to just be a game changer.
The sky is the limit for Revit's future. And as we continue to work and partner with Autodesk to make this tool better for us, the better outcomes we're going to be able to achieve.
There's no denying the impact that Revit has on the industry.
Design should be a very collaborative effort, and Revit is really the strongest tool that you could use to share design intent.
Disruptive innovation is one of my favorite terms, and Revit was certainly my first experience with that concept.
Our engineers now spend more of our time focusing on the design instead of the tool.
The days of just placing symbols on a floor plan are fading rapidly.
Revit is opening new possibilities for me and my team, moving us from a traditional 2D environment into a 3D environment.
The product team was really interested in hearing all of the sorts of feedback on their first version of that tool.
The Revit product team is very responsive and connected to their customers in a really great way.
If someone were to ask why I should use Revit at all, especially when we're talking about Revit 2022, I think the answer really is they will gain so many great efficiencies in their design process and also better understand their design when they start leveraging that data inside of Revit.